Book of Heaven, Volume 12, December 27th, 1918. The word of Jesus is Son. In these past days, I had recorded nothing on paper of what Jesus had told me. I felt such listlessness, and Jesus, on coming, told me,
"My daughter, why don't you write? My word is light, and just as the sun shines in all the eyes, in such a way that all have sufficient light for all their needs, so is each one of my words more than a sun, which can be light sufficient to illuminate any mind and to warm each heart. So each word of mine is a sun that comes out from me, which now serves you. By writing it, it will serve others. And you, by not writing, come to suffocate this sun within me, and to prevent the outpouring of my love and all the good that a sun could do."
and my Jesus, who's going to calculate on paper the words that you tell me. And he,
"This is not up to you to say, but to me. And even if they were not calculated, which will not be, the many sons of my words will rise majestically, placing themselves for the good of all. On the other hand, by not writing, you prevent the sun from rising, and you would cause great harm. If someone could prevent the sun from rising on the azure heavens, how much harm would he not cause to the earth? That one to nature, and you to souls. And besides, it is the glory of the sun to shine majestically, and to take the earth and everyone as though in its hands, with its light. The harm is for those who do not take advantage of it. So it will be with the sun of my words. It will be my glory to make rise as many different enchanting and beautiful suns for as many words as I speak. The harm will be for those who do not take advantage of it."
thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.